Holystone Hs710 drones with camera for adults 4K, GPS FPV foldable 5G quadcopter for beginners with optical flow positioning, auto return home, follow me, brushless motor, easy to fly. 4K camera with 5G FPV transmission, Cyan, the top rank of camera drones for adults. The UHD 4K camera captures your wonderful moments with incredible details. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens and remote-controlled 90-degree adjustable structure broaden your view, and the 5 GHz FPV technology guarantees longer and smooth image transmission. Intelligent flight features, GPS drones for adults, multiple GPS functions such as follow me, waypoint flight, tap fly, and point of interest enable the drone to fly automatically and free your hands. The whole family can enjoy the creative fun of flight together. Easy to fly, altitude hold makes the drone hover in the air without throttle control, smart return to home and emergency stop free your minds of losing the drone, one key takeoff/landing help get the hang of it quickly and easily. A perfect drone for beginners. Triple stability guarantee. The GPS and GLONASS dual-mode global positioning system, combined with optical flow positioning, keeps the drone hover extremely stably in the air both indoors and outdoors. Lasting and powerful, it holds a position quite stable even in wind with the powerful brushless motors better than other competitor drones. A safer modular batteries are convenient to use, which increase the flight time up to 25 minutes. The portable and foldable structure is designed for your convenience and brings longer-lasting fun to you and your family. Professional drone. For professional personnel, Hs710 is undoubtedly a reliable professional drone with camera, 4K camera lens, high-definition picture quality, GPS intelligent function, optical flow positioning, all will enhance your flying experience. Super lightweight. No need to make FAA registration and effectively reduce your travel burden thanks to the weight control of Hs710 drone, less than 0.55 lb.